It's the weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 10th of February. I'm James Spann, obviously on the road. Today in Columbus, Ohio. We'll be speaking to a weather symposium on the campus of Ohio State University. Alabama's weather very interesting for the weekend. We're going to have some rain at times tomorrow, and there's a chance some of you might see a few snowflakes early in the day Sunday. So let's talk about that. Maybe some strong storms next week. So here's the deal today. We have this upper trough west of the state and a southwest flow aloft and a stalled surface boundary across parts of central Alabama. This is the radar early this morning, and you can see a few spotty showers along and just south of that stalled boundary. And most of the state will be dry today. There could be a few scattered showers over the southern counties. Temperatures this morning are in the 30s north of that boundary over parts of North Alabama. We have 37 for Haleyville, 39 for Cullman, Birmingham at 45. South of that boundary, mostly 50s, 58 degrees for Mobile and Dothan. Pretty quiet this morning. We do note there is a flash flood watch for parts of extreme South Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. But around the nation, pretty calm. There could be a few strong storms today just southeast of Alabama, parts of North Florida, South Georgia, the southern tip of South Carolina. This is tomorrow, a chance of severe storms over parts of the northern Florida peninsula. Not the Panhandle, but the peninsula. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, no severe storms expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. A pretty good bit around here. For Alabama, the amounts generally between 2 and 3 inches. Maybe amounts exceeding 3 inches in South Alabama. Next week looking relatively wet and unsettled beginning Tuesday night through Thursday. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. And there's the trough coming through Texas, and that'll be swinging through here tomorrow. But today, again, pretty quiet. The better chance of showers over the southern half of the state. Highs in the 60s in most spots, maybe 50s up in the Tennessee Valley. So tomorrow, the upper low swings through. It will be a cloudy day, a colder day with rain at times. Temperatures north of Birmingham in the 40s, south of Birmingham in the 50s. So early Sunday morning with this cold core upper low, and you know the saying here, cold core upper low, weatherman's woe. With dynamic cooling, not really cold air coming in at the surface, but colder air coming from the top, there could be a few snowflakes in the mix. This is the high-res NAM valid Sunday morning at 6 o'clock. In the blue, that would be snowflakes over parts of north and east Alabama. Surface temperatures should be in the mid-30s. You don't need freezing temperatures for snow to fall. And with the ground being relatively warm, that should mitigate any travel issues or any impact. So at the moment, we're not expecting a major impact, but understand these suckers do their own thing. And they don't care what we say. And we've been burned many times by these cold core upper systems like this. So just watch for forecast changes. But we will mention a chance of some snow Sunday morning, early Sunday morning for parts of north and east Alabama with no major accumulation or no major impact at this point. And then the sky will be clearing during the day Sunday. Now, this is a look at the accumulation just for the fun of it. And these snow maps are basically worthless when it comes to cold core upper features like this. They're just not that good. So take them with a grain of salt. This is coming off the high-res NAM. This is coming off the European. And again, you can see the better chance of snowflakes over northeast Alabama. And the GFS says, nothing's going to happen except maybe a flake or two. So again, we'll be watching carefully over the weekend as this thing unfolds. And again, by Sunday afternoon, the sky will be clearing. And the temperatures will likely reach the 50s. So let's go to next week. Monday, we're dry. It'll be in the 60s. Tuesday, here comes our next system. Rain during the day. Tuesday, just west of here, and that will likely come in here Tuesday night. The instability is limited. I don't think we have any severe weather problems Tuesday night. And then the surface boundary stalls out Wednesday. So Wednesday, we'll have a chance of showers and maybe some thunder. And we'll be up there close to 70 by Wednesday. And then a more meaningful system will be coming in here Thursday. We've seen a lot of looks, and again, this is the GFS, but we have seen some severe weather looks, and this could very well be a severe weather situation Thursday of next week. So just keep that in mind. It's way too early for details. And this is a week from today. This is Friday, the 17th of February, and that feature lifts out, and the sky clears. We turn colder a week from today. 40s for North Alabama, 50s for the southern counties of the state. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 19th. And a little feature coming through here, but the air looks dry at this point. So it looks dry for a week from today and that following weekend. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS Ensemble. The mean about 4 inches between now and the 25th of February. Got your roller coaster ride. This is the National Blend of Models. And again, this is for Birmingham. Your number could vary. 61 today, 50s for the weekend, 70 by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And then you can see highs dropping off to 48 a week from today, but we bounce right back and we'll be close to 70 by Monday the 20th. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house. This is for the 17th through the 23rd of February. Same pattern. Below average in the west, above average in the east, and down here in the deep south, including Alabama. But we still have plenty of winter time left to go. So that's it for the briefing today. Just one video because of the travel and the symposium here. I'll be back in the regular saddle Monday of next week. Notes on the blog, alabamawx.com. And, of course, if you can, join Taylor Sorello this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.